Taking a quick moment now to bring you up to speed on some of the weather stories that we're following across the nation. First off, I bring you out to Augusta, Georgia. Perhaps you've been following the Masters throughout the past few days. The wind continues to be a factor. It was a breezy day yesterday, and it's going to remain quite windy once again today. In fact, the sustained wind speeds at times could be between 20 to 25 miles per hour. That air is coming out of the northwest, so it's keeping things cool. The typical high temperature this time of the year in the Augusta area would be in the mid to upper 70s, and we'll be stuck in the upper 60s. So at least temperature-wise, it's comfortable for the golfers and the spectators, but the wind will continue to be a big factor. The rain holds off in Augusta, at least for now, but the wet weather will become a big story as we get into the next few days here. We'll be watching the development of a system that will be coming out of the southern plains. It's going to trigger some strong, perhaps even some severe storms across portions of Oklahoma, Texas, up through Kansas and Missouri by the end of the weekend and into early next week. A fairly prolonged period of rain then will be developing from the Ohio Valley down through the Mississippi River Valley, where rainfall totals could be between 1 to 2 inches by the time we get into early next week. Then, of course, the situation is a bit different for these areas surrounding the Great Lakes. Yet another round of wet weather, which will be coming in the form of snow, develops by late Sunday, and that swath of snow will be extending from northern Minnesota over the Great Lakes down through New York. So not feeling a whole lot like spring in that part of the country. Temperatures across the nation today look like this. Not as warm in Seattle today as it was yesterday. Back into the mid-60s, 30s and 40s from Minneapolis to Chicago, and 60s and 70s across most of the southeast.